Hello from Alize. We are so excited to introduce you a new software by the video here that you will be fascinated by. As you all know, our patented yarn Alize Puffy More is the most recent member of the Puffy family with ready loops. Puffy More easily creates any pattern we want in knitting with two-colored and double-sided design of its loops. Furthermore, our knit products are also usable as double-sided. When working with Puffy More, we need a pattern and a template. Therefore, we have developed a software that we believe it will assist you in terms of patterns and templates. Through the software, you will be able to establish easily even challenging patterns, and in addition to the ready patterns provided in the software, you may convert any pattern or a picture in your photos to a template suitable for Puffy More loops. Let's learn this software that is designed uniquely for Puffy More. First of all, let's enter the website either by clicking on the link provided in our webpage, social media accounts, or typing puffymore.com in an internet browser. If you are using the software on a smartphone, you may rotate your phone to see all options on a larger screen. We change the language option in the opened page as we wish. We see three options: Create New Pattern, Ready Patterns, and My Patterns. With the Create New Pattern option, we can convert any photo or pattern in our photo library into a template. With Ready Patterns, we can transform the patterns in the program into templates. You can see the templates we have created before in the My Patterns section. Let's try Ready Patterns option. There are various patterns we have prepared for you. For example, let's select this cat pattern and proceed with Continue. Here we can rotate the image by clicking on the Rotate button below. We may adjust the image by holding it at the blue frame as we wish. Moreover, by dragging the frame at this point, we decide what part of the image will be in the knit pattern. After completing these adjustments, we proceed with Continue. In this page, our image is transformed into a template with pixels. Here we may modify the width of the knitting. You may adjust the width in centimeter or number of loops by clicking on plus or minus buttons. After adjusting the dimensions of the template, we see two information notes below. On the first line is the number of balls needed for the chosen dimensions of knitting. And on the second are the estimated measurements of the product we will knit. Here you may check the dimensions of your knit. We proceed with Continue. On this page, we see the current colors of Puffy More yarns. You may choose by clicking on the colors of your preference for the product you will knit. We have chosen the color. We proceed with continue. We have decided on our pattern, size and color. We click on the button Start Knitting. We see the entire template of the product on the left side of the opened page. The red stripe within the template shows the row presently worked. For much easier following the template, you can see the enlarged template and the red stripe below. At top on the right side, we see the line number of the red stripe in the template. The numbers in the boxes shows how many of which color will be knitted on a particular row. So we don't need to look at the template and count the colors one by one. As you know, we knit puffy yarns without turning the knit piece. We knit from left to right if the yarn is on the left side, and we knit from right to left if the yarn is on the right side. The information in these boxes are from left to right. In the rows, you will knit from right to left so you can follow the color order starting from the end. For example, 27 light and 4 dark pink loops. You may change the rows by clicking on Previous or Next. We completed the knitting by following rows. You can create a template not only with using Ready Patterns option, but also by uploading photos or patterns yourself. For this, we click on the Create New Pattern option. We click on Upload Photo button in the opened page. Here, we may upload a photograph taken by the camera or chosen from the photo library. Choose the background color for picture and the image in contrast colors. This will give much more impressive effect in your template. After selecting your photo from here, you may resize, choose color for the pattern and transform it to a template for your knit in the same way. We had 3 options on the home page. As you can see, now the last project option has also been added. You may access to the template you worked lately by clicking on Last Project option. Then you may continue knitting on which row you left working. As for the other options, My Patterns, you may see the templates you have already prepared by proceeding. You can see all your templates from here. At the bottom, we see the options Delete and Continue. You may delete any template you wish by clicking on it. Or start knitting any template chosen by clicking on Continue button. If you have already started to knit any chosen template, the software will continue knitting on which row you left. You may download any template you prepared to your photos by clicking on Download option. So by holding down the image, you may save the template by clicking on Add to Photos or Download Picture options. When working via your smartphone or tablet, you may deactivate the sleep mode or key lock so that the screen will not go black. We hope you enjoyed the software that is designed uniquely for Puffy More. We believe it will be very helpful for you. We wish you happy knits with Alize Puffy More.